This is David with Swimming Pool Learning, and many people ask me what's better, a suction side cleaner or a robotic pool cleaner. So I'm going to go over some pros and cons of both, and you can make an informed decision on which cleaner is best for your pool. The price point of a suction side cleaner is a lot less than a robotic pool cleaner. In fact, you can get a decent suction side cleaner for $200 to $300. The suction side cleaner also works as the pump is running, so it's like you're manually vacuuming your pool for 8 or 10 hours each day. And the suction side cleaner is great for dirt and small leaf debris, and they're easy to repair, and they're good for all pool surface types. Some of the drawbacks of the suction side cleaner is that they're not suitable for large debris. Also, you'll have the hoses in your pool as the cleaner is operating in there. All of the dirt that the suction side cleaner picks up will go into your pool's filter, and you also want to make sure that your filter is clean and operating properly for the cleaner to work effectively. A suction side cleaner will use more energy because you have to run your pump at a higher RPM or speed to get the suction side cleaner to operate. If you have a very large pool, 30,000 gallons or larger, a suction side cleaner may not clean the pool effectively because of the large size. And last, suction side cleaners are not allowed for commercial pool use, so you can't use a suction side cleaner in a public pool. Robotic pool cleaners will clean your entire pool from the pool floors, walls, and water line. They're also good for larger debris. They'll pick up larger debris than a suction side cleaner will pick up. They run independently from the pool's filtration system, so all of the dirt is trapped inside the robotic pool cleaner canister or debris chamber itself. Some robotic pool cleaners can filter down to 20 microns, which is just as good as a pool filter. They also come with good warranties, usually 2 or 3 years, so rest assured that you're buying a cleaner that's going to last a very long time without problems. There's also no hoses in the pool, and there are many robotic pool cleaner models now that are cordless, so there's not even a cord associated with the robotic pool cleaner. And robotic pool cleaners are more energy efficient since you can run your pool at a lower RPM all day long, and there's no need to raise the speed of your pump because a robotic pool cleaner again works independently from your pool's filtration system. They are more expensive than your suction side cleaner, and that's something that you have to consider. It's a larger investment. And usually you can't do repairs to them beyond changing the belts or the brushes in front. You'll need to send it out for repair. And last, you may find robotic pool cleaner heavier. So if you're older or elderly or maybe physically impaired, you may not want to be pulling the robotic pool cleaner out of your pool. I think it really depends on a lot of factors and which one is better. If you're on a budget, of course, the suction side cleaner would be the better option for you. But if you're more interested in aesthetics and the look of your pool and the cleanliness of the pool, I think a robotic pool cleaner would definitely be something to consider over the suction side cleaner. Ultimately, both choices are really good. They're just very different cleaners and they operate differently. And whichever decision you go with, I think you'll be happy with either the suction side cleaner or the robotic pool cleaner. Both are really effective in cleaning your pool on a daily and weekly basis.